Yeah. Thank you so much, the volunteers. We had in this SIRP2, we had 3 volunteers who were above the 18 years. So yesterday we had session with below 18 years. So today I am having the sessions with you all. So, and thank you so much, Alka ma'am, Vandana ma'am, and Vani ma'am. So let us hear from you. How was this experience? How was this 4 months journey with you? We will start with Alka Arora ma'am. Alka Arora ma'am, can you unmute yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll first take this opportunity to thank you as well as for this mission for the research project you have taken. You are always my source of inspiration. Means whenever I am low, I talk to you, and you know that. So when you was my RA, so this was first motivation to join this particular program. So I was sure that definitely I'm going to learn something new from this part. And when you have shown the confidence, so it was like I can go ahead blindly with this faith. I entered into this. As far as my journey is concerned, it was amazing because it was a mixed batch. Like you said, 18 years, less than 18 years also, and above 18 years also. So it was a motivation. It was great to see young kids, maybe even lesser than age of my children. They were doing so sincerely. So this was a motivation that we have to do, put some dedication to this part. So this was again motivation. Even some of the my team members like Vani ma'am, she's too regular with the programs. Means even if you are not there, if nobody is coming, but then she is very regular and she will keep it posting that I am doing. So again, it was a motivation. Like it was sincerity of everybody, especially under your guidance, because your motivation is like that. It inspires us to like continue on this journey. So this was a major part, that everybody's support, it made a good team basically. So it was good teamwork and good learning in this. As far as advantages what I got from this, as far as my eyes are concerned, when I started with this journey, I was having some problem with blurring in my eyes, because I was having, my power was changing. So I had a glasses that time. That was another reason. So power was increasing basically. And moreover, other than this, I was having allergies around my eyes only. So I don't know for what reason or the other, suddenly I'll have swelling in my eye. So it will start from the right eye and then it will go into the left eye. And so I don't know. Suddenly one fine day I wake up and then I'll see like some irritation in my eyes and suddenly it will swallow. So I showed to 2, 3 doctors and they said it is allergic and we don't know the reasons behind it. Maybe change of weather will trigger the allergies. So I thought, okay, it's good thing that this has come my way. So maybe for the improvement of my eyes. So I started with this, and touch wood, this change of season happened in this time also, October, November. But this time I passed this thoroughly, means there was no irritation in my eyes. So that is the good part of it. I had my allergy this time also, but not around eyes. I had now on the stomach area. It's still going on, but my eyes are protected.
Wow. Okay.
But still that thing is there. And I'll admit one thing here, because as far as my sincerity is concerned, as you said, we have to do this exercise for minimum 2 times in a day, means, and 3 times will be great. But I could do it one time regularly. That this has become part of my practice. I thought of many times to join in the night, but somehow or the other, I could not make it. But then I made it a habit that I had made these eye exercises as part of my morning yoga, or the morning exercise I do. So I'm very regular in that. So without, if I can miss some, I can miss some stretching exercises, but I'll definitely do the eye exercises. So that I'm doing regularly, and I'll continue with the same.
Thank you.
And thank you everyone for your support and guidance, and especially Madam you for this amazing journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And would you like to continue this eye exercise, though we are ending the exercise hand holding from today onwards? So you are going to
Yes.
help your eyes from now onwards, ma'am, without any
Yeah.
reminder of online classes.
Yeah. Because I said na, because this is part of now my morning exercise routine. So without, missing my stretching exercises, but I'll not miss my eye exercises. So morning, I devote 10 minutes to my eyes. So
Right.
that is regular. So
Okay.
without any reminders, it is now part of my routine,
Okay.
basically.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for being so truthful about your practices and all. Thank you so much, Alka, ma'am. Namaste. So be there.
Namaskar.
Let us listen to others also.
Yeah, yeah.
So Vandana ma'am, Vandana Khurana ma'am. Vandana ma'am was in the SIRP 1, Site Improvement Research Project 1. Again, she joined the SIRP 2. Ma'am, I am really grateful to have you in the SIRP 2. And also,
Yeah, thank you so much, Kaloni, for being my RA. It has been a wonderful journey. In fact, last when I joined it, I was not very regular with it, but I could see few benefits happening. So that's why I wanted to rejoin, and this time I did it very sincerely, and your sincerity rubs off. So automatically, we are in tune. Your motivation, your sincerity, thank you for it. And the improvement what I had is that I used to, whenever I used to squeeze my eyes, I used to get twitching used to start in my eyes, that muscle used to twitch. So that after a regular practice of 1 month or 1 month or so, it stopped, and my vision has become better. Like I can now, I do not need my glasses all the time. Otherwise, I was always looking for my glasses. Where is it and all that. So it's easier. In fact, today I was when reading with my glasses, I just felt irritated and I just took them off.
Okay.
And I could read. That is the biggest thing.
Yes.
And thank you so much.
Thank you.
On
ma'am.
the whole, I enjoyed the process, and I used to wait for these eye exercises, the timings, and seeing youngsters doing that. It was totally a very beautiful journey and very motivating journey. It was
Thank you.
wonderful, and thank you so much. And
And
of course, I will continue doing as always. This will be part of my regular practices. Thank
how
you
you
so
will
much.
motivate yourself, ma'am, to continue this practice? What will be the reminder?
I will just fix this. I have fixed this time only. I've given
Okay.
this time, our time to this eye exercise automatically after dinner, even
Okay.
if we are not meeting. So I just do this. I devote myself to 10 minutes and then go.
Okay. Thank you so
So
much,
this
ma'am.
is my life. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
for
Thank
sharing
you,
this reminder
everyone.
part.
Yeah, thank you so much. But it has been a wonderful journey. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you, ma'am.
much.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Namaste. And the sincere ma'am, another sincere ma'am we have in our group is the Vani ma'am. As rightly Alka ma'am said, Vani Oleti ma'am, she is into lot of things in her life. Still, she never missed the class, though she joined as a RA like me. But later we thought that let them go through the process so that they can train their volunteers very well. So she joined as a volunteer in the mid of the September. And from the mid of the September till now, she is regularly practicing. Only once or twice she has missed due to some marriages in her in her house. Otherwise, she has continued her practice. Whether she is online or not, she will always post the pictures or the videos. Thank you so much, ma'am, for that motivation. That motivated me to continue that, actually. Thank you. And it motivated all of us. Even the children must have been motivated. Because they are too small, they didn't acknowledge that. But definitely it has the impact on every one of us. Thank you for being the source of inspiration from the September
Thank you
on.
so much. I should thank you really, because you sit with us without expecting anything from us. Still, this shows your dedication, that even we should be like you. I have thought so many times. And for me, single, I was one day, but then also you sat with me. That I'm very much happy. And see, we are learning so many things from so many people around. That is, we have to keep our eye open and just take all the good things only inside.
True.
And see, I learned the dedication. Even if one is there, we are not supposed to skip the class. Like that. That dedication I liked in you. You see, as I was in the class sitting, you came. You could have told me, "Yeah, tomorrow we'll do somehow. You're doing regularly. I'll join you." But no, you didn't do that. You came and sat with me on that day. Really, that impressed me a lot, and I sincerely tell you, this dedication even I should do for others. I feel like that. I'm so thankful, ma'am. And really, it has become a part of my life now. Though you're there or not, even if I come back by 10:30 night, I make it a point to do it and sleep. My mom was there with me for 15 days. She was so happy when I was doing. Sometimes I used to come at 11:30 night. Then also I used to sit and do. Yeah, she was very impressed. Yeah, what dedication you have. I told, Ma, somebody is coming and sitting for us. We are trained in such a way. If somebody sees only we are doing, otherwise we are not doing. But this I made it a point not to see. We have all grown up. We are not still kids like that to someone to monitor and all this. And we are doing it for ourselves. And with the age, everything deteriorates. And already for me, it has deteriorated a lot. But at least if this is there for me, I can do something. Otherwise, I should need a support of somebody else. That should not happen in the life. That was the main thing for me. And then I did it. Whatever I take, I learned it from my children. My children did not learn from me. I learned from them most of the things, the dedication they have, because they are in such a high position now. Without those dedication, without those so much of sacrifices, they would have not reached that position. My daughter always tells me that whatever you do one thing. No, don't do 10 or so many things and skip that, these. Whatever you're taking, make it a point to do it, or not to do that at all. Not doing 1 day, 2 day and running away. Ma'am, everything which I have possessed in my life, it is because of the dedication only. Only after the children all born only, I did my medicine also. That really, without that dedication, will not achieve anything. From young, I have that, and I motivated others also. And my children motivated me again that you are doing right. So be like this only always. So anytime,
Thank you,
even
ma'am.
it is late night, I do it. And I will sincerely promise you that I will continue my journey, even though you're with me or not with me. But sincerely, I request you, if you are taking up another class, I will come and join you again.
Definitely, ma'am.
So that
Definitely,
we'll
be
be
there,
as
ma'am.
motivated.
I will be in touch
So,
with all of you from the time to
thank you
time.
so
The group
much.
will be there. I will just send a reminder whether I will be online available to you or not.
Okay.
I'll send a reminder so that it will make a connection with you all. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
At
can
least
you?
once in a week, ask us, ma'am, whether you people are doing or not.
Definitely, ma'am. I'll do that. Definitely, I'll do. I will not skip it, ma'am. I'll do it.
Because
Can you?
see, with the time, something we will miss it off. Otherwise, if somebody is there with us, no, at least for that purpose, we will be with. No, there is somebody to ask us. We should be dedicated like that.
Yes.
It is a tendency of human. If you're not doing it, it goes away one day by day by day.
It
like
is
that.
still, I am still doing sometimes with my SIRP 1 batch also. The group is still existing and sometimes I message in the group. So we have very less time, ma'am. So let me ask the next
Ma'am,
question.
only one thing I'll tell and just
Please.
complete it. See, along with the exercises, you have taught us so many things that I am doing it daily. Really, to tell you, I am mentally I'm telling you, 30 to 40% stronger now.
Superb.
It is
Superb.
not high. It is not curbing me like this. It was my solar plexus area. I could feel the tightness. But now, no, I am able to accept something like that. It has become those things. It helped me a lot. That mudras.
And what are the Ma'am, what are the improvements you saw in your eyes, ma'am?
In my eyes now, I'm able to drive in the darkness now. Okay, still there is problem, but I was fearing to go out in dark. Okay, that thing is not there. I'm confident I'll come back home safely, reach
Okay.
home safely. That
Okay.
I'm confident. Then again, another thing I only told sir on the day, but I didn't express with you because I forgot. Okay,
Mhm.
I had that urinary incontinence. So sometimes when I sneeze, I used to feel a drop of thing coming out, urine coming out.
Okay.
But now that is not there.
Okay.
Now
Wow.
that is not there. Really, I'm telling you. Now
Ji.
it has. Every time when I sneeze, no, I just recall. Oh wow, this has happened like that. I'm
Okay.
so happy for that.
And
And
you
as
were mentioning,
here,
yeah.
my eyebrows, so good. That I have told you.
So can you
But
share
this
what has happened to the eyebrow, ma'am? So
I had a very thin eyebrow, not much hair at all. Okay, now
Hmm.
you can see from here to here, such thick black. Even my daughter-in-law asked me whether I am using my eyebrow pencils. Like that, it has become nice, thick here and all.
Ji.
I'm just so happy. Now, see, this part also is growing now nicely.
Yes, I
From
can
here
see
to
that.
here, it was.
True.
From here to here also, it is nice.
So at the
That
end of
articulation.
after
Yeah.
3 months, we are looking for the full grown-up eyebrows and so
Yeah,
many
sure.
other improvements also. So please continue
Yeah.
these exercises. I'll
Yeah.
be definitely there. Definitely in
Yes.
offline, I am there. In my mind, you all will be there. Please continue your eye exercises because eyes are very, very precious organ. Through the eyes,
Yes.
we are inferring many things. So thank you so much for being in
Thank you
this
so
part of the journey of mine and the team. Namaste to
Yes.
everyone.
Thank you so much.
Namaste, ma'am.
Let us all continue the exercise till we are
Definitely, please
on this.
continue. I will also continue. Please, you also continue. Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank
Namaste,
you.
ma'am.
Namaste.
Thank you.